Welcome to Douby TV.
A is for astronaut. Astronaut. A is for astronaut. A. B is for baby. Baby. B is for baby. B. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cat. C. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. D. E is for egg. Egg. E is for egg. E. F is for frog. Frog. F is for frog. F. G is for goat. Goat. G is for goat. G. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. H is for helicopter. H. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for ice cream. I. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. J. K is for koala. Koala. K is for koala. K. L is for lion. Lion. L is for lion. L. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for monkey. M. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. N is for narwhal. N. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for octopus. O. P is for penguin. Penguin. P is for penguin. P. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for queen. Q. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R is for rainbow. R. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. S. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tiger. T. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. U. V is for violin. Violin. V is for violin. V. W is for whale. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. X. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Y. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zebra. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Learning letters joyfully. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've learned our ABCs. Hip, hip, hooray! Yippee! Woo!
What number is this?
1.
This is 1, the number 1.
1.
Do you know what number is this? This is 1. 2. This is 2, the number 2. 2. Do you know what number is this? This is 2. 3. This is 3, the number 3. 3. Do you know what number is this? This is 3. 4. This is 4, the number 4. 4. Do you know what number is this? This is 4. 5. This is 5, the number 5. 5. Do you know what number is this? This is 5. 6. This is 6, the number 6. 6. Do you know what number is this? This is 6. 7. This is 7, the number 7. 7. Do you know what number is this? This is 7. 8. This is 8, the number 8. 8. Do you know what number is this? This is 8. 9. This is 9, the number 9. 9. Do you know what number is this? This is 9. 10. This is 10, the number 10. 10. Do you know what number is this? All numbers together, 1 to 10 with me. 1 to 10 all in a line, counting together feels so fine. One big picture, clear and bright, numbers smiling, what a sight. Now we know them, loud and true. 1 to 10 is easy for you.
Subscribe.